Okay guys, so today is the unveiling of the new Hyundai Santa Fe. So over here you can see there's 4 models are being shown right here right now. So each is separated in the diesel and petrol engine. So currently the petrol and diesel both have 2 variants. So basically this is just a quick walk around of the new Santa Fe. So just a quick fact check for you all. 2.2 liter for the diesel engine. So this is the diesel variant. How do you know it's a diesel variant? Basically you look at the back of the badge there. And also for the diesel variant, it comes with the all-wheel drive compared to the petrol engine version. So let's just have a quick look on the interior. Fully leathered, very high quality design. Looks like kinda like a marble design. Not bad, to be honest. It's a rear aircon vent as well. Not bad. Basically there's like a executive and a premium variant, so you can really look at some of the difference, like especially the tires and the rims. Look at this. This has a much more sportier looking rims and a better tire from Continental. So over here it's using a combo tire with just a base alloy rims. And look at the side panel as well. There's also like chrome on this side here. Wow, this one just purely plastic. Yeah, so even the fog lamp, you can see there's also some difference between the executive and the premium version. So let's move over to the petrol version. So this is the petrol version. Petrol version is a 2.4 liter engine. So again, there's some different specs between the executive and the premium. You can see I think this is the executive version. Using the conventional rear tail lamp. So on the premium side, there's LED rear tail lamp as well. Yeah, so this is just a quick preview of the Hyundai Santa Fe. So later on, I'll hook up a link down below on the video as well to show what is the full spec variant of the Hyundai Santa Fe as well. So you guys check it out at that link as well, alright? Cool. Okay guys, so look over here. This is the Hyundai i30N. So it has been like previewed in Malaysia during KLIMS 2018. So today again, they are previewing this car again. Alright, gonna show a quick look at the interior as well. Confirm 6-speed manual on this model. Yeah, gonna be exciting to wait for Hyundai Malaysia to launch this as well. Let's have a quick look at the rear section as well. Wow. Basically you just can sit like only 4 person in it. Alright. Alright guys, we're going to listen the i30N startup sound.
So guys, kereta ni akan dijual pada harga dalam lingkungan harga RM250,000 ke RM300,000, masih belum fix, but around that price lah. So kepada anda yang suka kereta yang jenis letup-letup, ini dia.
So you guys have just watched the pop sound from the i30N.
Minyak pun sudah tak cukup.
Oh, the steering feeling very nice, precise. The rev matching warm.
Yep, very nice.